Okay, time to go ahead and add audio to our laser blast. It's going to totally change the quality and dynamic of our film. So let's go up to Final Cut, main menu, File, Import, Media. Media, I'm going to go to my desktop. Inside of, I want audio. There it is. Sound effects. Inside of sound effects, I should have lasers and cannon. There, laser, blaster, cannons. Either double click on it or open it. I'm going to go down to one that says laser, and I'm going to say import selected, and it should be, there it is, laser. Okay, so now I'm going to take laser, I'm going to line it up with my first, right here. This is what I'm looking at. You see that first film on the edge, going right up to the edge of it. And I'm going to go click, hold, drag. It's as simple as this. And I go line up with my second one, and I go click, hold, drag, and all I'm doing is lining them up with the playhead. Now I go find, problem is I have these all stacked, and so how about this? I'm going to go to the next one. There, see how it's lined up right there? And I go here. Actually, you know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go copy this, go Command C, and then I'm on the playhead, right? I'm going to go Command V. There it is. Now let's line it up. And I think it goes right. Am I here already? I think I have. Is that one there? Yep. Command V. Go on to the next one. And go right here. And Command V, and then this should line up. I think that I should have a total of what? I think I have 6 there. And here's my last one. Commands. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's play it. Should be very cool. Here goes. So I'm going to go click, hold, play, and I think that was very cool. Now all you need to do is now go on to this fighter here, in which you're going to make sure you add audio to all your laser blasts. Have fun.